Mm-hmm. Careful.
He's getting tired. He just got done with 5 minutes of this already.
Bring him up here so he can like relax.
Drink water. Drink some water. He's
Mokush.
tired. Mokush.
Give him a
Sit,
second
boy.
to relax.
Mokush, sit.
No,
Mokush.
he's too excited.
Mokush, sit down. Don't jump up on the side of the wall there. Alright, I'm sorry, I'll just do it this way.
Well, now we know how to tire him out before we go.
Before we go to bed. Good joke. He's trying to get smarter and like.
He's getting tired, so he's trying to think about it. Like, wait, how can I get this without expending so much damn energy?
Oh, pupper bud.
Stop running into the wall.
That's too funny. Oh, he almost had it.
Good thing we don't live in apartments where there's somebody that lives below. Just you at night when we're like... do you hear him pretty easily when he runs around?
That Joker is running around like that. Oh, heck yeah. Especially when he's excited. Like, holy crap.
Yeah, so you came out, what was it, like last night, you thought it was like an elephant or something.
It's like, what the fuck's rolling around up there?
Alright.
Good boy.
Mokush!
You two.